Hello everybody, my name's Stephen Lyon and welcome to another SafeSend Shorts video. Today what we're going to be talking about is state-only returns. Now, as most of you know, we are supporting state-only returns in SafeSend now, and there seems to be a little bit of confusion on if there's anything else we need to do, is there anything different we need to do, how can we see them, is there a different view or anything like that. And I'm just going to kind of answer some of these questions, quickly go over how we get one into the system, how we see it, how we find it, how we process it. Shouldn't take too long. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, when we're uploading a state-only return, it's going to be the exact same. So for today's purposes, I'm going to do the drag and drop of that state-only return. So I will drag and drop that return into the system. Now, this one in particular is Alabama state-only. So we'll go ahead and choose Alabama, submit. That return will get uploaded, it will get recognized, and after a few seconds, it will be ready to process. Now, this doesn't look any different than any of the other returns that we have on here. The only difference will be in filtering. So if you do want to filter for state-only returns in the send tax returns or anything like that, drop down this type and you will actually see full return, state-only, or all, and then choose which of those tax return types you want to look through. So you can set a saved filter. So if I wanted to say, give me state only, I can go ahead and save this current filter and do state only, hit save. And instead of having to go look through that each time, if I'm seeing all my tax returns, let's say for every tax year in here, I can go over and then just hit state only, apply that, and it will show me just my state only returns after that filter has been applied. So that's really the only difference. It will be there. If you have some way that you want to mark it custom in the client ID or anything like that, you absolutely can. But filtering is how we're going to differentiate between the two. Otherwise, it just is going to display as a normal return, a 1040. So that's what it will look like on your end there. When we process it, it will look exactly the same. So when we open up this return, we just won't see the federal information. So we have the Alabama with the payments due. We still enter in our taxpayer email to get this out the door to them. We will recognize the transmittals, the e-file form, the vouchers, everything. So you do not need to mark this any special way as state only. You don't need to do anything special. The only difference is the view of it doesn't outright state it's state only on our side. That would be something that you folks would want to do manually if you needed to do that when you're processing your returns, if you have a lot of returns in your in process. So that is really it for this video. There's not really much more to go over. If you have any troubles or you have any questions, please reach out to us, safesend.com, or go to report a problem within the returns feature itself. As always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.